In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Suburban key fob. Now, a couple of different versions of this device. You might have one that looks like mine, except instead of this trunk icon, it says rear 2X. There's also a version that has a red panic button here. It doesn't matter which version you have, they're all the same device, just with different button layouts, and you can follow this video to learn how to replace your battery. The whole process is super easy. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. And the only things that you'll need to get it done are some kind of a coin, quarter, or a nickel will work best, and then one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to get one, go check the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can buy these particular batteries for just a few dollars. The first step here is just to look on the bottom right of your device. You can see there's a large indentation right along the seam. Take your coin, insert it in there, and just twist the coin gently. This thing will snap right open, super easy for you. And now you can set this side down and come over here and work on the battery. If you have long nails, you can probably just pull this thing right out. If not, like I can't do it right now, so I'm just going to grab this flathead. You could also use a pen or pencil, anything to fit into this little indentation. It's kind of difficult to see, but right here, there's an area that's going to help us get right under the battery. So take whatever you have lying around, slide it under the battery, and just pry the battery up. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Take a new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in there, make sure that this positive side that has the plus on it is facing down. So you will just snap it in, positive side down, and all we need to do now is put these two back together. So just line them up and squeeze. And with that, you are all set. You've got a new battery in there and you're good to go. I hope you found that video helpful. And if you did, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We've got you covered with tutorials for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.